That guy's fast.
And I might as well have gone for it though if I'm still gonna be in this situation.
Wow.
Oh, you motherfucker! He was open.
Oh!
Oof.
He was there. I couldn't get it out quicker.
Yeah. And the same thing happened. I had him, I threw the ball, and they fucking closed on him like that. I'm like, son of a bitch.
Oh, Jesus.
Play so far.
Oh, nice play.
Hey.
Oh, how did I get around him?
Oh, I ran into my own guy. All right.
What?
Kick.
Thanks. No fucking way. I'm playing over the top on that. Dude, that's bullshit. Oh, I missed
You
it.
son of a bitch.
No, come on.
Come on, bro. You gotta put that out there. Fucking league uses it.
Yeah.
So fucking broken.
I hate it, but I definitely use it.
Go left. I said go left, not upfield.
That was the tough second half view. I mean, I held the ball the entire third quarter, which I was eking out first downs. And those, you missed 2 field goals too. That didn't help, but it was another battle.